Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the correct tools, a blunt tapestry needle and the woolen thread you'll use. Cut the thread with a sharp snip at a 45 degrees angle and make a 1/2 tail. This helps it enter the eye. If the thread frays, dampen the tip lightly or push it through a small threader. This stiffens fibers and prevents splitting. Once threaded, pull the thread through until you have a balanced tail length and position the needle for your first stitch. You'll move into steady, controlled stitching. Hold the fabric taut with your non-dominant hand while keeping relaxed tension on the wool so stitches lay flat. Insert the needle at a slight angle following the yarn's natural ply. This prevents splitting and creates a smooth line. Make consistent stitch length and spacing, count visually or mark every few stitches, because uniform tension preserves drape and appearance. Once you establish rhythm, you finish by securing the thread on the wrong side. Take a small backstitch or weave the tail under 1-2 existing stitches, then trim close. Weave the tail 1-2 cm through adjacent stitches to lock it without bulk. Make sure your final row sits even. If tension looks tight, gently stretch the fabric to relax stitches. If the wool splits while sewing, stop and back out 1-2 stitches, rethread the needle with a slightly dampened tip, and proceed more gently to prevent further fraying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.